Hey everyone, Thomas here. Happy 2018, everyone. It's January. It's a new year, and just want to hope you guys had a wonderful New Year's Eve. And just right now, I'm at Baldwin Park in my home of Orlando, Florida. Wonderful place, beautiful. And basically, this video, what I'm going to be talking about is my perception on basically New Year's resolutions. This is the time of the year where everyone talks about their goals, what they want for this year, and how they are going to progress in the future. But basically, I'm going to describe my view on that subject and stuff. Oh, and you have this guy here, wonderful, yeah, special guest right there, wonderful people. Hey, what a look! All right, yeah, hey Jim. And yeah, and of course, as you can see here, Orlando has very wonderful people. Everyone's friendly, especially in this side of town. This is where I go to. Basically, if I'm having kind of a bad day or I just want to have a place to kind of get out of the house, this is a wonderful place to walk around. Again, this is Baldwin Park, and right now I'm walking towards the dog park on the other side of the lake, which is a great place to go to if you love dogs. And well, we'll get to that point. Where do I start? New Year's resolution. When I hear that, I think of long-term goals. That's what seems that seems to be the thing that everyone's leaning towards. But I believe that New Year's resolutions should be more of a daily thing, or even at least weekly, because there are so many days in the week, and if you only have about 2 or 3 goals, then that's not really much. There's not much to be achieved throughout the year. So what I view what resolutions should be, or I would like to call them objectives rather, because when I think of resolution, it's the meaning has been shifted a lot, but I'd rather just call them objectives. But how I view it should be is on a daily basis, there's always should be something that you would want to improve yourself on. And if you were to improve every single day of the year, that would be 365 things you have achieved throughout your whole entire year, and then you can apply that for the rest of the years of your life. And the thing is, life is so short that why spend it on 2 or 3 things? And when I think of these objectives, I think of things about maybe your career, your relationships, or maybe even your health. There's so many things that we want in life that we want to work towards. Like in my life, in the last few years, I've dealt with college, went through school, and there's this abundance mentality I've been growing recently, and it really has helped me grow as a person. And I'm still have a lot to work towards. As if, for example, my speech impediment right now, as you obviously see, it needs some work. But you know what? I'm getting better, because I used to be a very shy kid back then, and now that I'm out here doing this is just a wonderful thing. And every single day, I feel so much better and much stronger, spiritually, mentally, physically, and emotionally, of course. And I just see some dogs up ahead, which is, of course, like I said, out here you'll see lots of dogs. I wish there were cats too, because I love cats. I love both. I don't discriminate. I love both cats and dogs. Sue me. But anyway, what I want you guys to take out of this is, when you're going through your 2018, just think about, what other things do I want to improve in my life, and what steps do I take for the next thing, whether it can be your job, you're building your relationship, rebuilding your relationship, or maybe try different things, or get yourself outside of your comfort zone rather. And that way, when you look back at this, you'll just look back and just learn from it, and then maybe you can share that with other people. But basically, that's where I'm going at. Just every single day, just have something in your mind to work towards. And at the end of the year, you're going to be really proud of yourself. And then the next year, do the same thing over and over again. Because if you do the same exact thing every single day, then I would imagine that life would be very boring. I mean, unless you're into that, that's cool. But for me, not quite. But yeah, that's just my intro for the year. And I'm looking forward to making some more videos for you guys soon. I'll do a lot of different things. Hopefully, you guys will love them or even hate them. It doesn't really matter to me. This is what I do for fun. I'm doing this for you guys and mostly for myself. But but anyway, if you guys enjoy this video so far, no matter, it's kind of like not what I'm used to. It's not what I'm used to, but just hit me up on Instagram at tquaxify. I'm also on, of course, YouTube. I should be posting up another video soon, and I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy the rest of my day in this wonderful Florida weather. Anyway, peace out, guys. Live long and prosper.